Hi, everyone. My name is Azucena Zamora. I'm the Business Development Specialist in the South Bay area. Today, I'm going to be going over how to get access to the Intro to Online Learning class. That this class is great for anybody it's their first time taking an online class, or if you have difficulty learning through a computer. This will prepare you for an EdFund Career Advancement Program with an online component. So it's a great class that I highly recommend. Now I'm going to go over the steps on how to get access to the class. So the very first thing you want to do is go to the Education Fund website. It's theedfund.org. And you want to click on the online learning. Then you want to click on online education preparation. And you want to scroll to the bottom where you can find the actual class, which is down here, and you want to click on register now. You want to make sure that you fill out this information so that you can receive your login credentials. Once you receive them, you're going to navigate the login page and enter your email and password to log in. And this is what the actual course dashboard is going to look like. So clicking on the course title, and it's going to take you to the course overview page. There is a nifty introduction video, which will briefly overview the course and where to get help, should you need it. If you keep scrolling, you'll see a resource section with tailored content for new and returning students, which is right here. There are even excellent interactive tools like computer readiness tests that can confirm that you have the necessary plugins to access the content. Is broken up into 4 modules: identifying strengths and weaknesses, intro to online learning, getting tech ready, becoming an efficient online learner. One of the great things about this is that you can post your questions here, and you also have 24/7 phone support. Of course, you can always reach out to a business development specialist with any questions, and we will be happy to help you. I hope this was very useful.